From stress to success. A journey of finding hope and happiness with Dr. Rao Aesthetic Clinic. Meet Mukesh, an everyday guy battling stress and anxiety due to sexual problems. He yearned for an affordable solution that would bring back his confidence. One day, a colleague, Dinesh, shared his secret Dr. Rao Aesthetics Clinic. Dinesh had been a satisfied patient there. Mukesh's hope was rekindled as he explored this affordable gem. Dr. Rao welcomed him warmly and recommended a surgery to restore his confidence. The surgery was a success, and Mukesh's life transformed. He sent his heartfelt thanks to Dr. Rao Aesthetics Clinic for the second chance at happiness and confidence. This is a story of hope, resilience, and affordable, quality healthcare.